Date sheet for CBSE Board Class 10th and 12th, Term 1, Session 2021 and 2022 for major subjects has been released on 18th October 2021 by Central Board of Secondary Education. Moving on to the 10th grade, date, day and time along with the subject names are mentioned for major subjects. On 30th November, you people will be having your social science exam. On 2nd December, science. 3rd December, home science. 4th December, maths, standard or basic. 8th December, computer applications. 9th December, Hindi course A or Hindi course B. 11th December, English language along with English literature. Some of the notes that you have to keep in mind are that date sheet of minor subjects will be provided to your school and it will commence from 17th November 2021. Along with the above examination, class 12th will be having their minor subjects. Duration of each paper will be 90 minutes and the time this time given for the reading is 20 minutes rather than 15 minutes. Keeping in view the winter session, the exam will start at 11:30 a.m. rather than 10:30 a.m. Information circulated on social media should not be taken into consideration. Further, other information will be provided to the students by their admit cards. CBSE will update schools, candidates and parents on examination through various other modes from time to time. They will keep you updated through their websites or giving information to your respective schools. For authentic information, you should visit CBSE website, that is www.cbse.nic.in. Moving on to the 12th grade, day, date, time along with the subject names are mentioned. Also, subject scores are also given. On 1st December, you people will be having your sociology. 3rd December, English core. 6th December, maths. 7th December, physical education. 8th December, business studies. 9th December, geography. 10th December, physics. 11th December, psychology. 13th December, accountancy. 14th December, chemistry. 15th December, economics. 16th December, Hindi elective or Hindi core. Then on 17th December, you people will be having your political science. 18th December, biology. Then on 20th December, history. 21st December, computer science or informatics. And 22nd December, home science. Some of the notifications that you have to keep in mind are that the date sheet of minor subjects will be provided to your respective schools. The examination of these subjects for class 12th will start from 16th of November 2021. Along with the above examinations, the dates that are mentioned, class 10th will be having their minor subjects. Here the vice versa thing is taking place. Duration of each paper will be 90 minutes. Reading time will be 20 minutes rather than 15 minutes. Due to winters, at 11:30 the exam will start rather than at 10:30 am. Further, other information will be provided to you by different means. Information circulated on social media should not be keep in mind. The authentic information will be mentioned on www.cbse.nic.in. Thank you and all the best.